LMH and today we're going to make another amazing recipe. Now you know I love experimenting with international cuisines. Today I'm going to share with you tossed salad done the Asian way. Let's go over the ingredients. We have some romaine lettuce. Romaine lettuce is nice and sturdy, so it's great for tossed salad. We have 2 tomatoes, one large, one medium size. We have half of an onion chopped roughly, and we have 2 hard-boiled eggs. Now we'll put all the ingredients together. Just look at those gorgeous colors, red, green, yellow, white. As the name suggests, we're just gonna toss it and then we're done.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise, I won't quit.
Our Asian tossed salad is done. It looks amazing. Now if you enjoy using salad dressing, feel free to use your salad dressing at this time, but I like it without. So let's taste. This tastes really good, and there's so many textures just going on. It's soft, it's hard, delicious. Asian tossed salad. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this salad recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.